I'm not used to seeing myself with such dark hair anymore. It's been so long. Hey guys, it's Alina here, and I'm so excited to share that I partnered up with Clairol Pro to take the FlareME Bold Hair Challenge. I have never dyed my hair in this way, mixing developer and all of that, so I just want to show you guys how easy it is to do this on first try. So here's the final look. I'm super excited with how it came out. So as you can see, I've got the purple on top, then the blue, and then teal on the bottom. This teal has me living.